Alright, welcome back. So we're now going to look at how we simplify an algebraic expression using division. And this is one of those skills that where it helps to know a little bit about fractions. So if we look at our first example, for us to write 3x plus 1 divided by 5 without the division sign. This is pretty easy when we remember that the division sign is essentially can be converted to a fraction. So 3x plus 1 in brackets divided by 5 is the same as 3x plus 1 over 5. Really simple. Now in B they want us to simplify the expression, which means to use the simplest terms for this fraction. And that means taking out common factors. So if you remember, to take out the highest common factor and divide the top and the bottom, or the numerator and denominator of a fraction, made it its simplest form. So let's look at 8ab over 12b, and let's rewrite it using our multiplication signs. This is 8 times a times b, all over 12 times b. Now immediately you can see a common factor that we can get rid of. If we're multiplying the top and the bottom by b, but then dividing the top and the bottom by b will also produce an equivalent fraction, so we can get rid of both of these. We can't get rid of the a. There is no a on the bottom term. On the denominator, so we can't do anything about the a. But is there a common factor between 8 and 12? Yeah, there is. It's 4. So if we divide the top and the bottom by 4, we get 8 divided by 4, which is 2, and 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Now we can rewrite our fraction as 2a over 3. And we're done. For those of you who've done cancelling in class when we did it, this will be very easy for you. For everyone else, I urge you to look for those common factors and work slowly, and also bring in these multiplication signs. They will help you out tremendously. Alright, so now we have some additional ones that we're going to look at just to practice. So A is going to be 3x plus 2, and we're going to get rid of this division symbol and we're going to put it all over 2x plus 1. Alright, pretty easy. Just to rewrite without the division sign, we just convert it to a fraction. Now if we look at B, we have 12pqr over 15pr. Alright, you can do a better job of drawing that than I can. So it wants us to simplify the expression. Again, write the fraction in its simplest terms, so take out any unnecessary factors. So let's rewrite it using our multiplication sign. So 12 times p times q times r, all over 15 times p times r. Alright. So we're multiplying the top and the bottom by r, which immediately tells me I can get rid of both of these. They're a common factor that we can just get rid of. We are multiplying the top and the bottom by p. That's a common factor we can just get rid of. The q we can't do anything about. Now let's look at the coefficients. We have 12 and we have 15. Is there a common factor between these two numbers? Yeah, there is. It's 3. So if we divide the top by 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now that we are done, rewrite our fraction with everything that we have remaining. So 4q all over 5, and that's the answer. Alright, give the next questions a go, and I will see you in the next lesson.